Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the explosive and the threat letter found near the residence of Mukesh Ambani. The the time when, as per the CCTV, is 1 a.m. on the Wednesday, on the Thursday early morning, and as per Hindu calendar, it is Wednesday, and it is forming a Mrityu Yoga, and the sign rising in the ascendant is Scorpio, and in the seventh house there is Angarak Yoga, which clearly indicates it is a terrorist activity, and it has proved spot on. And the latest news is that they have also demanded some ransom in the form of Bitcoin, some terrorist group. So friends, also I just wanted to tell you that Anil Ambani has Libra ascendant, and how I have authenticated is that he is running the dasha of Jupiter, and Jupiter dasha started on the 30th August 2019, and Jupiter is, as per the Vedic astrology classics, Jupiter is the most malefic planet for Libra ascendant. It is the sixth lord and the third lord. But as far as his chart is concerned, it is placed in the 11th house. It is fallen in the 11th house, retrograde fallen at 29 degrees. And whatever goes in the 11th house grows. So it shows that in spite of it being in a fallen state, it will give him everything. And you see, he's born on Friday, and the Tithi he is born on Shashti, and it forms a Amrita Yoga. Amrita Yoga, and then Moon is in Amrita Gati in the third house in the sign Sagittarius, which is the second house of Hindu Lagna. Second house of Hindu Lagna, and also the 11th house of Hindu Lagna, and Jupiter aspects it. Jupiter and Pushkar Navamsha aspect it. So it shows ultra rich, and he's got Mercury in the 7th house as a yogi planet, and Mars in the 8th house as a avyogi planet, and Mars will give Viprit Raj Yoga. So he has got number of Dhan Yogas, and then the Hindu Lagna, why is ultra rich? Because the Hindu Lagna of the second house and Hindu Lagna of the 11th house, both are falling in the sign Sagittarius. The third house where Moon is placed in Amrita Ghati, and Jupiter in Pushkar Navamsha aspects that side. So till the dasha of Jupiter, he will be ultra rich. But since Jupiter is the sixth lord, and in the D6, it is afflicted in Rahu Ketu axis, it shows troubles from diseases. And Jupiter is the karka for liver and the stomach. So while digging up the from Google, I found that in November 2019, after the eclipse, the solar eclipse of the 26th December 2019, on his natal moon is 10.43 degrees, and the eclipse took place at 9.58 degrees. So very close, although not in the same Navamsha, but very close. So he was diagnosed with some cancer, so in the stomach, and probably connected to the liver, and he went to US and UK for the operation. I did know it, but I didn't pay attention at that point of time. But when the explosives are found near his house, I picked up his chart, I analyzed his chart. As far as the profession is concerned, his chart is extremely powerful. In the Dasmansha chart, the sign Cancer is rising, and the Lord is in Amrit Ghati, placed in the sign Pisces in the 9th house, and the 10th Lord of the D10 chart is in the 8th house of the natal chart. But in as a avyogi, he is giving Viprit Raj Yoga. It's a very strong chart. He has number of Dhan Yogs, and the day he is born is in Amrit Yoga, and then the moon in Amrit Ghati. All this shows that he is very wealthy, and moon placed in the Hindu Lagna of the second house. Normally, astrologers do not see Hindu Lagna of the second house and 11th house. This is as per the Tamil classics and the South Indian technique. No astrologer knows how to calculate the Hindu Lagna of the second house or the 11th house. No, I have not even seen a single astrologer doing it. So, friends, why he is rich is the ultra rich, and till what do you call the dasha of Rahu, till the dasha of Rahu, 18 years, Rahu is placed in the ascendant, and the dispositor of Rahu is placed in the Kendra in the 7th house. So Rahu becomes very strong. He becomes a Yog Karka, and he bestows very good results. From Rahu, Jupiter is placed in the 11th house in Pushkar Navamsha, and whatever goes in the 11th house, it grows. So his wealth has increased as far as the Karka for wealth, Jupiter is concerned. But in the D6 chart, Jupiter is afflicted in the Lagna, and he is the 6th lord, so it gives him troubles. So the other thing what I have seen is a fallen planet, when the dasha of a fallen planet comes, it brings disparity, and there is a loss of status. Say for example, Donald Trump. Donald Trump has Jupiter, in the 2nd house as a fallen planet. In the dasha of Jupiter, he became the president of the US. But in the dasha of Jupiter-Saturn, on the basis of this, I predicted that he will have a fall in his status, because he cannot become the president again, because Saturn is the debilitation lord of Jupiter, so Jupiter will not be able to give the result. Similarly, in case of Mukesh Ambani, the Jupiter-Saturn dasha will be most enigmatic, and even Jupiter, he has to be alert. His enemies, will rise to the occasion. He has to be cautious from his enemies, because the lord of the 6th house has gone in the 11th house. It is good for cure. Definitely it's good for cure. But as a foreign planet, it will definitely give him troubles. And as a planet in Pushkar Navamsha, still he has suffered because of the cancer disease. So he is liable to suffer. And till the time this Angarak Yoga is there, till 14th of April 2021, he has to be alert from all these terrorist groups. And also, he may lose his position as the richest man of India. I note these predictions. Jupiter is not a good planet for Libra ascendant, and you wait and see for yourself. In spite of all the riches, all his richness, his position may stall. So this is what I can say. We can absolutely parallel to Donald Trump, and also the previous Chief Justice of India. He had a fallen Venus. He had a fallen Venus in the 10th house, and mind you, just before his retiring, he had a bad name because a female had gone against him in the court for harassing her. So he got a bad name, although he got out of the case, but he did get a bad name. The women threw mud on him. So this is all I just wanted to say, friends. A fallen planet is not good. The dasha of a fallen planet is definitely not good, and it brings a lot of trials and tribulations. And this is all just I wanted to say. The other thing is, I had predicted that the Maharashtra and Mumbai is the most prone for terrorist activities. And just see, these terrorists they are planning something for Mukesh Ambani. So friends, this is all just I wanted to say. Till Mars is in this sign, Taurus, and especially, you wait and see, I have mentioned 27th March, there will be a degree conjunction, so it can be worst just before Mars coming out of the mouth of Rahu and getting out of the clutches of Rahu. There may be a major earthquake, major blasts, something major, some major terrorism also, and especially in the central part of the India, in the west part of India, or the southern part of India. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share, that astrology is most amazing. You can predict anything and everything. So this is all I just wanted to share, friends, and thank you for listening to me, and have a good day.